Hi guys, so we know Nokia announced the 2720 flip phone recently, and then it's something that we are looking at, which is going to be running on a Kia OS as well. So definitely this is something we've been checking out and we've been seeing in our previous video on the Techno T901, which is also running on the Kia OS, but unlike the Nokia, which has a 4G and is capable of doing a lot more, like taking a better picture than the Techno T901. But we notice that future phones of now that are coming with the Kia OS. So my question is Kia OS the new future for feature phones? I would like to see your comments below, and you can also click on the subscribe button and the bell icons to get videos as they drop on the channel. So now we'll be looking at the strawberry whiskey. Sorry, I know most of you are expecting a device, or maybe you're expecting the Nokia 2720, but we'll be looking at a weird device, which is the strawberry whiskey flip phone. So guys, to be honest, I just got my hands on this phone, the strawberry whiskey, and I was like, what is this? So I just said, let me just make a review on this as one of the weird tech to which I've gotten my hands on. And there's nothing really that I will say about this device other than the fact that the form factor is just so nice. It's just small and compact, and in the pack you just have the charger and the battery, that's all. Though the packaging is not so great, and I won't even be reviewing that, but I just wanted to show you guys that this phone is in the market and it's a flip phone as well. Definitely not having great specs, not really having much, but it's just a flip phone and it looks so nice and small and compact. I really like the design of the phone. I'm just surprised that these kind of phones are still in the market and people still make purchases of this. So it has the 3mm headphone jack, your mic jack below, and by the sides it's just the black and white design, and the camera up top at the flip once you open it. So definitely nothing so serious about this device. I was also reviewing this because the design looked so much, it looks like maybe a powder case for women to apply their makeup, but I like it. It's very small and it's very compact. So this is just strawberry flip phone. Doesn't really necessarily have much, but I just said let me show this phone on the channel. Also, it comes with dual sims and a micro SD slot. Definitely it will be handy for just normal use. So if you like this, you can actually click the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get more videos on different tech. Though this is a weird tech, but it's still tech, and it's your boy MK signing out from Carter Studios.